Good day, welcome to Translas. In this video we're going to tell you more about the Translas 10XPM Push Pull Maestro torch. The torch is available in water-cooled version and in gas-cooled version. The water-cooled version is recognizable by a black swanneck. The gas-cooled version is recognizable by a nickel-plated swanneck. Both systems make use of the same consumables, so the same nozzle, tip adapter, tip and swanneck liner. The torch is suitable for welding wire of 0.8 up till 1.6 mm wire. Both torches are equipped with a multi-lock swanneck, which can be positioned at will and rotated. The torch standard is available in 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and 16 meters of torch length and is equipped with a Euro central connector or use a base tail as a standard. On special request, the torch can be ordered with a machine-specific connector. Depending on your welding wire being steel, flux or aluminum, you can set the correct pressure on your drive rolls, as indicated beneath the top cap. The drive rolls can be tensioned according to the specific welding application. The menu on the torch will allow you access to the flashlight by pushing this once to activate and deactivate, or to hold it for a few seconds to allow access to the wire feeding speed mechanism. What makes the Maestro different when comparing it to other push-pull torches you might know from the market is the fact that we can install the push-pull Maestro on every universal welding machine out there in the market. We don't need to make any modification to the electronics of the machine, so we simply install the pickup sensor with various available mounting pins. We connect it to the sync box. The sync box is in perfect harmony with the torch and synchronizes one-on-one the wire feeding speed of your drive mechanism in the welding machine. Would you like to request more information regarding the Translas 10XPM Push Pull Maestro? Reach out to your nearest sales agent or send an email to info@translas.com for any questions or a request for demo on site.